Yeah. Everybody, this is Rowdy Rich Boys. I promised, I delivered. I hope you guys enjoy. Rowdy Rich Boys. No, son, everybody know I got that good whip.
Rowdy Rich Boys, how we do it. That shit's fixed. You guys hit that backflip? They're about to fix it. And I'm going to get coronavirus test right now. You're going to find out right now. Does Rowdy Rich Boys have coronavirus? You're going to find out right now. Look at that finger there. Bro, this is the fucked up shit that just fucking happened to me. See my fucking finger right there? It doesn't. Fuck, son of a bitch. Rowdy Rich Boy. Dog. How bad is that? That's pretty fucked up, right? Can you do me a favor? Just say Rowdy Rich Boys. Yeah, that's what we do. Yep.
Rowdy Rich Boys.
Yo, bro, Rowdy Rich Boys, we trying to protect that coronavirus up in this bitch because I'm in the fucking hospital right now. If you don't see that, pay close attention. My finger is fucking sideways. Sideways. Like, literally, I want to flip you off, but I can't. 100% legit right there. That shit just got rocked. Yo, bro, Rowdy Rich Boys, we trying to protect that coronavirus up in this bitch because I'm in the fucking hospital right now.
That's how we do it, son. Rowdy Rich Boy style. Ladies and gentlemen, that just happened. That was epic as fuck, bro. Rowdy Rich Boy shit. Yo, Rowdy Rich Boys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channels and make sure you hit likes and notifications. And don't forget to leave a comment and tell me, my question is, how did you like this video? See you next time, Rowdy Rich Boys.